Gemini 3.5 Pro is scary powerful. And I don't say that lightly because most AI updates are just small improvements dressed up as big news. This one is different. This is the release that actually shifts what AI does for you, and most people aren't going to see it coming until it's already too late to get ahead of it. Let me break down exactly what's confirmed, what's still speculation, and what the smart move is while everyone else is still waiting around. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. So here's where things actually stand. Google gave the world a preview of this back at Google I/O on May 19th, where they announced the entire Gemini 3.5 family of models. The lighter, faster version, Gemini 3.5 Flash, went live that same day, completely free inside the Gemini app, and it's already set as the default model powering Google's AI mode in search globally. The more powerful version, Gemini 3.5 Pro, was announced right alongside it, and Google's CEO basically told everyone, give us until next month. The room reportedly groaned when he said it. And here's why that reaction actually matters. The version they gave away for free that same day, the lighter one, is already outperforming the previous generation's flagship model on coding and agentic benchmarks. So if the free lighter version is already that strong, it tells you something about where the more powerful version is likely headed. Now, here's the part I think most people are underestimating, and it's the concept of agents. A normal AI tool is reactive. You ask something, it answers. You push further, it responds. Every step depends on you being there to drive it forward. An agent works completely differently. You give it a goal, and it figures out the steps on its own, uses tools, runs through the entire sequence, and hands you back a finished result while you're doing something else entirely. It doesn't sit there waiting for your next instruction, it just moves forward on its own. Google's own demo at their event showed Gemini 3.5 Flash reading a complex research paper and then autonomously building a working piece of software from it with no step-by-step prompting in between. Just the paper going in and a finished result coming out. That's the shift worth paying attention to here. This isn't AI as something you operate, it's AI as something that works independently on your behalf, and that's built into the core of this model, not bolted on as an extra feature. The second major piece is memory, and this one is genuinely significant. Gemini 3.5 Pro is targeting a 2 million token context window, which is double what the Flash version currently holds, and it's the largest announced context window of any frontier model right now. In real terms, that's roughly 1.5 million words held in a single session without the model losing track of anything from the start. For any kind of knowledge-heavy work, that puts it in a completely different category compared to what most people are used to working with. Think about what that actually unlocks. You could feed in a massive amount of information all at once, a year's worth of documents, research, notes, whatever you're working with, and ask the model to map out patterns, gaps, and insights. Across all of it, in a single session work that would normally take a person days of manual reading and organizing becomes one focused sitting instead. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. The third piece worth knowing about is reasoning, and Google's calling this feature Deep Think. Most AI models produce an answer almost instantly, which is fine for simple stuff but risky for anything complicated. Deep Think does the opposite on purpose. It slows down, works through a problem step by step, checks its own logic along the way, and gives you a considered answer instead of just the fastest one it can produce. Think of the difference between someone who blurts out the first thing that comes to mind versus someone who actually sits with a problem before responding. For complex multi-step work where one wrong assumption early on breaks everything that follows, you want the second approach every single time. One thing worth flagging though, deepthink is reportedly gated to Google's higher subscription tier, so it's not going to be available to every single user right out of the gate. Still, for tasks where getting it right matters more than getting it fast, that quality difference is real. Now, here's the piece of this story that almost nobody's actually discussing, and honestly, it might be the most important part. Google doesn't have to convince anyone to try their AI. That's their entire advantage. Search, Gmail, Google Docs, Drive, Android, enormous numbers of people are already inside that ecosystem every single day without even thinking about it. No downloads, no new signups, no learning a new tool. They just use Google like they always have. Gemini 3.5 Flash is already running as the default inside AI mode in search globally, and it's already powering an always-on AI agent built directly into Google's workspace tools. This isn't some future rollout, it's already live right now. So when Gemini 3.5 Pro eventually goes public, it doesn't need a launch campaign or an adoption curve. It already has an enormous existing user base sitting right there waiting. Google just flips a switch and it's suddenly in your search bar, your inbox, your documents. No other AI company on the planet currently has that kind of built-in distribution advantage. Now, let me be straight with you, because getting this right matters more than making it sound exciting. As of right now, Gemini 3.5 Pro has not been released to the public. It's sitting in a limited enterprise preview for a small number of selected organizations. Nobody outside Google knows the exact public release date, and anyone online claiming a specific date is genuinely just guessing at this point. What's actually been officially confirmed is the 2 million token context window, the deepthink reasoning system, and full multimodal capability across text, image, audio, and video. Those are the announced targets, but the real verified benchmark numbers only come out when the model card drops at general availability, not before. So here's the smartest move right now. Don't sit around waiting for Pro to drop before you do anything. Gemini 3.5 Flash is already live today, and it's already ahead of the previous flagship model on most coding and agentic tasks. Build familiarity with it now, get comfortable with how it handles agent-style tasks and long context work, so that the moment Pro actually lands publicly, you're not starting from zero. You're just plugging a stronger model into a workflow you already understand. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.